Hi, what we need to learn as an Oracle DBA. Remember, as an Oracle DBA, our daily job roles include installation issues and configuration activities. As an Oracle DBA, we'll be involved in performance monitoring, backup recovery, security management, and lot more. In our classes in SQL School, the Oracle DBA training program involves routine DBA activities and emergency DBA activities to make you the guardian of data integrity with security. 24/7 high availability concepts, data organization and data governance activities practically explained. With our Oracle DBA training program, you can opt for System DBA activities, System DBA resume, Application DBA resume, Performance Analyst and Cloud DBA activities as well. What exactly we learn in our Oracle DBA training program? Let's get started. It involves total 3 modules. Module 1, Linux Fundamentals. We'll be starting from scratch with Linux and Unix installations and architecture concepts. File management and editor activities. We'll be involved in directory management and file permissions, various modes or operations with respect to files. We'll be involved in user environment activities. Then comes Module 2, Oracle Concepts. It involves Oracle SQL, Basics and DBA concepts. That is Introduction concepts, functions, joins and subqueries. We need to also teach you about transaction controls, table constraints and core Oracle DBA activities, Oracle instance architecture concepts, software installations and installation issues, startup shutdown concepts, security management, table space and data files. We also need to teach you about table space concepts and temporary table space, control files, redo logs and fast recovery area FRA. We need to also teach you about Oracle Net services, database links, DB link activities, logical backups, RMAN backups and restores. We need to also teach you about flashback and restores, cloning activities, duplicate cloning, data guard, performance tuning and patching concepts, including troubleshooting activities. And Module 3, very important detailed project work that involves routine DBA concepts and emergency DBA concepts in Oracle latest versions. Remember, Oracle DBAs are always in demand in the market. Oracle, as you know, one of the stable database technology. We can make you the expert level DBA with good amount of problem solving abilities to be imparted in our training classes. The strong technical foundation given by our trainers can make you a true Oracle DBA with good number of technical and soft skills. We can make you a true Oracle DBA. Pretty sure about it. Reach us for more information about Oracle DBA. Reach us for more information about the kind of takeaways from the course, the kind of assignments, the kind of project work and lot more activities including resume. See you there in our actual live classes. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice time.